Hi, I'm Brandon Wagner here for Crazy Color, and this is Mikey Ferrer, Crazy Color Ambassador. In this episode, we are talking about using our black shades. These two shades are really important to the entire line, and we want to teach you how to use them.
First off, Crazy Color has two black shades, black and natural black. There's a big difference between the two, so we want you to know the difference. Natural black is a primary black, and what I mean by that is that it consists of all three primary colors, blue, red, and yellow in equal parts, but in a very heavy dye loads.
The best way to see what natural black is made of is to slowly mix it with neutral. You will see that the natural black shears out to a brown taupe tone. Black, on the other hand, is our blue black. Once again, it has all three primaries in heavy dye loads, but the blue is the predominant tone. You can see this also by using neutral, and this shade shears out to a lighter cold brown. So now that we understand the difference between the two types of black that we have, we can use them as colorists. Use them standalone on either pre-lined hair or virgin hair to deepen any tone.
Depending on how porous the hair is, the hair will become black or a very dark tone. The natural black is going to also give you gray blending. You can place natural black on gray hair, let it process for the full 20 minutes with mild heat, and it will blend out gray hair with a beautiful neutral tone.
If you're trying to create a fashion shade, feel free to mix natural black with any other tone. You can cover gray, but still have a vivid color. The blue black gives you an amazing raven hair, especially on pre-lightened hair above a level 7. The hair will be black indoors with a blue shine, but truly a dark, dark blue in sunlight.
I suggest pouring 30 grams of our Vivid into a bowl and slowly add either black into the formula until you find the perfect depth. Weigh this new total and you will be able to recreate your formula. Natural black will help create rich, deep shades with warmth, while black will create stunning cold tones. We hope that this was an informative episode, and we really want you to have fun with this natural black and black from Crazy Color. We promise it will become one of your favorite tools as a colorist. Subscribe to our channel to keep up to date on all of our latest information.